Welcome to the fourth industrial revolution, where the lines between physical and virtual technologies have blurred, where manufacturing and distributors are transforming to smart factories and warehouses, where human intelligence is enhanced by artificial intelligence, and advanced robotics and machine learning are speeding production while lowering defects. Microsoft is empowering manufacturers to join the revolution, to better manage operations, build innovative products, and reach new levels of growth and productivity. As Chief Operating Officer, you've got a lot on your plate, making day-to-day decisions, setting team policies, aligning operational activity with long-term objectives, maintaining excellence, not to mention promoting growth and profits. To meet these challenges, you need a central source of intelligence. You need instant knowledge on your global workforce and supply chain. You need the flexibility to collaborate anywhere on any device. You need the insights to drive change rather than react to it. Dynamics 365 enables you to maximize profits, efficiency, and agility. Through AI, machine learning, intelligent analytics, and big data, you get the power to make better decisions, save cost, and improve service. Amplify productivity and efficiency with customizable role-based workspaces. Your team gets overviews of relevant processes with both transactional and analytical data through visuals, tiles, KPIs, and quick links to reports and pages. You can get employees behind strategic goals and better equip them to respond to organizational and customer demands. Dynamics 365 Finance enables you to continuously monitor financial health across the globe with multiple views, from bird's eye to drill-down metrics, all from a single screen. You can effectively ensure compliance of every transaction in every locality in which you operate. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management enables floor supervisors to stay atop operations. The production floor management workspace gives users an overview of all jobs in progress in their area, complete with supporting links. They get capacity planning, production scheduling, and sequencing capabilities to more effectively control the factory floor. They're better able to support innovation, respond to changing constraints, and keep customers happy.
Our efforts are much more targeted and effective with Dynamics 365 in delivering value and keeping customer satisfaction as high as it can be.
Turn data into insights with 360-degree real-time visibility to inventory, warehousing, manufacturing, service, and transportation logistics. Leverage predictive analytics to improve control and raise efficiency. Supervisors can instantly view pending production orders through workspace tiles. Clicking tiles takes users to production orders and release pages. Here, they can check material availability before releasing orders for production. Gantt Charts make operations transparent, enabling planners and supervisors to optimize production. They can easily adjust schedules to material shortages and other factors, and they're better able to use available resources and keep the lines moving.
Microsoft just rolls out updates and you don't even know about it. They ship new features and they just roll it out to your code, and your extension customizations are not impacted.
Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management seamlessly connects batch orders with the production floor and warehouse operations. Warehouse workers can process updates on material and components to deliver to factory lines and prepare finished goods for storage and transit. Dynamics 365 promotes accurate accounting and forecasting with detailed breakdowns of all production and material costs and variances, including specified indirect costs. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management provides complete flexibility of production control, enabling floor managers to view and manage jobs via mobile devices or job card devices on the shop floor. Break away from the status quo of traditional ERP. Realize the productivity, efficiency, and profits of the new manufacturing revolution. Learn more about Dynamics 365 today.